If you haven't seen something like this before, check this out. This is Ginger, our Burmese Python. She is preparing to shed, and what snakes do is they will start rubbing their head or their nose scales on something rough, and that way they're preparing their head to shed. And so we noticed that she was moving around her cage doing this, and so we brought her out here, and actually she's just like on the fireplace mantle or the bottom part here, rubbing her face on this, and she's doing this all on her own, and it's just really interesting to watch. She'll turn sideways. As you can see, she knows instinctively that this is where she needs to start pushing, and then as soon as she gets a little piece, it gets easier and easier for her to shed. Isn't that cool?
And then when she gets that nose shed, then she looks at me and says, all right, finish.
Yeah, she does like to be a little lazy after that part. And then she likes Rick to help her finish. You can see other videos of Ginger. Actually, there's a video of Pierce helping her shed her face.
Ginger treats it like a spa day.
It's like an exfoliant for her skin, right? Her scales. All right. Oh, look at Ginger. All right, you want to pull her back a little bit?
Yep.
So when she kind of gets to the carpet area,
Come here, sweetheart.
we'll just pull her back a little bit.
She's making progress.
Yes, she is.
All right, here you go, sweetheart. So smart. There you go. There you go. Go this way.
Yeah,
No,
there
go
you
that
go.
way.
Try it again.
There you go. Glass doesn't work. Oh, look at that. She'll find any hard surface she can. Just start rubbing her face. She wants to break that seal over her upper lip. Some snakes will let you do it, but it really upsets them if they're not used to it, and they kind of pull their head, and I don't want her to get upset when I'm holding her head.
We also get this question as well from students who will say, I've heard that you're not supposed to shed a snake, and that's true if they're not ready, but anytime you've seen us help one of our snakes shed, it's because they're ready, and either they're being lazy or they need a little help.
This is a snake flat up telling you, I need to shed.
Yeah, well, I'm sorry, this is a little rough footage here, but I'm trying to kind of follow her around. Now she wants to go explore behind the wood.
This is not your private locker room.
No, we're not exploring right now. All right, so we're going to try again here.
Here you go.
Just to show you a little bit more.
I see it coming up.
But it's just so interesting to watch her do this instinctively. Look at that. Since they don't have arms, they
humans
can't.
don't have to have anything where they say, go grind your face on the concrete for about a minute or two.
Well, it's like us. We've got arms, and fingers. We can scratch ourselves or peel something off, and she can't. And so she knows that she's got to.
Let's take a look and see what we got going on. Look at this. Look at this.
Push it over here. There you go.
We've already popped an eye cap. You see this? We've popped up an eye cap.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So
So it has begun.
Yeah.